Hi, this is Cheryl back with you from Farmhouse Frugally. I have a quick haul for you. I got at least 25 items for $22 recently, and I thought I would share not only what I got, but what I have done with them to style some of them. Some you may have seen in past videos, such as this gold heavy architectural piece that looked so nice in this video when I finished this trunk and this small wooden piece. That is for sale. My daughter put it out for me. This rolling pin was free at the dump, as well as that architectural piece. So right now I just have it in my kitchen. I got this free candle with some little wooden stars. I haven't done anything with that, or this Christmas tree that was free at the dump. This is from Target Dollar Spot, and I actually use those at Christmas time on my mantle, so that will come in handy. One of these bread warming clay things that I will not use for food, but I will use here for display on top of my hutch. I got a little wooden picnic basket, and we'll do that in a video to make that over. It's cute, just don't like the snowmen on it. You will have seen this in a video not too long ago when I made that over and attached it here to this basket in my dining room with all the pretty blue-green pumpkins that I did. And this is all free so far, as well as this large wooden sign that says blessed in metal with some hooks. I'll do something with that in the future. This wire heavy blanket, pillow holder, end table, a number of things you could do with that. I saw it at Sam's Club for $30 this week, but it was free to me, as well as this brand new runner that I had in a recent video when I made over some of these pumpkin items. It looks so good with that. And now on to the things I paid for. This piece of fabric in grays, about a yard of heavy upholstery fabric was $2, and I can't wait to use that, as well as this green one, which is I think 2.5 or 3 yards for $3, which I absolutely love. So $5 for the fabrics, and I'm at an antique barn up the Lakes region from me, about an hour and a half when I found all this stuff. This magnolia little bag was $1, couldn't pass that up. And then at that same antique barn, she had two of the most adorable little birds that I already like, the style, the color, the shape, the size, everything. Those were $3 each, and you know how much I absolutely love these little wooden shoe lasts. This is the exact size, 3.5, of my granddaughter's foot, so I couldn't pass that up. That was so cute. I think I paid $8 maybe for that. And I did take both of these birds and decide to put them out on my mantle with my fall display. Even though I generally do the birds in spring and summer, I just thought they were too cute not to have out. So I did that. If you're enjoying this video so far, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell if you'd like to be alerted next time I post. Then I also, at that same barn, antique barn sale, saw these 3 canisters that are porcelain. They are in a cream color with speckled in the pottery. The speckles are in the pottery. And one was for sugar, one was for coffee, and one for tea. And when I brought it up, since the label had fallen off one, she gave me them for free, which I thought was very kind of her. And then the tops of those are metal on wood, so I probably will refinish the wood or do something different with those. But I think I'm going to use these in my my pantry in my kitchen where I do my coffee and tea. And then also at the good table at the dump, my husband had picked up these 4 little angels. I can't remember if these are precious moments or what the name of this is, but these are very, very cute. So I thought they'd be cute during Christmas time to display. And then, believe it or not, also on the good table at the dump, I found this gorgeous antique baby christening gown, which I washed and then washed again in vinegar. And that's as clean as I could get it, but I love it. I also got some free patty pans at the dump on the good table, as well as a very small frame I'll make over in another video, and these 2 glass jars that I'd like to pour candles in. So for right now, I have just displayed them in my living room. So that is my haul. I hope you will give me a thumbs up and stay tuned for how I make these items over. Thanks so much for stopping by. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.